If you own AirPods, iOS 27 brings one of the biggest audio upgrades we've ever seen. For the first time, Apple is giving users a built-in equalizer, allowing you to customize exactly how your AirPods sound. First, make sure your AirPods support the new EQ feature. It's available on AirPods Pro 2, AirPods Pro 3, AirPods 4, AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, and AirPods Max 2. Before getting started, make sure your AirPods are updated to the latest firmware. Once they're updated, connect your AirPods, open Settings, tap your AirPods, then go to Audio and Routing. Under Adaptive Audio, you'll find the new Equalizer option. This is one of the biggest AirPods upgrades in years. When you open the EQ menu, you'll see two options, Recommended and Custom. The recommended settings uses Apple's tuning and sounds great right out of the box. But if you want to personalize your listening experience, tap Custom. From there, you can adjust the bass, mids, and treble to get the sound profile that works best for you. Besides the new EQ controls, AirPods are also getting access to the new Siri AI experience. Siri feels more natural, understands requests better, and can help with more tasks directly through your AirPods. Apple has also improved connectivity with the latest firmware. Device switching is faster and connections feel more stable overall, whether using an iPhone or iPad. Overall, the new AirPods EQ is one of the most exciting features in iOS 27. Thanks for watching.